Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fabric wallet. Guys, I made one a long time ago on this channel, but I watched it again and I saw that I actually missed out on showing you guys some key details of that video. I'm going to link it down below. You might not really notice anything, but I noticed it because I'm the one that actually made it and posted it. So I decided to remake it and show you guys exactly like every single process of this particular fabric wallet. And guys, this fabric wallet has a card holder as well, and it's amazing. Trust me, you would love it. Now let's get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, for this you're going to need a fabric that is 8 inches by 40 inches. 8 inches by 40 inches. Then you're going to need a strap that is 3 inches by 12 inches. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to rule lines on the right side of this fabric. So on the right side you're going to rule your lines. Please take note of this side that I'm telling you so that you won't make any mistake basically. So you're going to measure 4.5 inches, rule a line right there. The next one, you're going to rule another 4.5 inches from the first 4.5 inches, and they're going to be ruling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Measure 4.5 inches 6 times. Now guys, once you're done with that, you're now going to fold it wrong sides facing wrong sides. Remember, we're looking at our right side, so you're facing it to the back. On that 4.5 inches, the first one you did, fold it in just like this, and then you're going to take this to meet this third 4.5 inches that you made. So from here to the third one right here, now that it's like that, we're now going to fold it wrong sides facing wrong side, so it's going under, and then we're taking it to meet this particular one right here. So this is our 5th line that we made, and then we're now going to go again wrong sides facing wrong sides, and finally right sides facing right side. So right here we're looking at our right side of our fabric, and then you're just going to place it over it like this, the entire piece. And then you're going to sew it using 1/2 inch along the two sides, the two edges. Sew it using 1/2 inch. Now for the straps, you're just going to place it right sides facing each other, and then sew it along the open edge and turn it inside out when you're done. So sew it along the open edge and turn it inside out. Guys, I am done with sewing this on the two sides. Now if you want to even trim it, you can trim the excess on the sides so that it's not bulky. So I'm just going to trim a little bit. And now you're going to take it right here. So remember, you're going to have 2 raw edges, so in between the two you are going to turn it inside out just like this. And then you're going to take it like this and make sure these go inside, so just like this. So I've turned it inside out. Then you're going to take it like this and push it in. Now those 2 raw edges are inside, So what you're going to do now is you're going to top stitch along the bottom using 0.25 inch. So top stitch along the bottom like that. And then what we're now going to do next is we're going to put our press button that we're going to use as our closure. So one press button right here, that will be our closure. So you can even iron it flat so that it can be very flat. And then we are basically ready. Like this is already ready. So just sew it and put your press buttons. Then we have our straps. So I'm going to turn the straps inside out, like I said. So you can iron it as well, or just put it right here. So on the side, on any side, you're going to fold it in the raw edges, fold these raw edges inside a little bit. Now you can either place it on the cover like this so that you can just cover it like this, or you can place it on this part right here and sew it down. So can you guys see? You can place it on this part right here, sew it down, or on the cover if you don't want to sew a bulky piece. So place it on the cover just like this and sew it down like that. I think that's what I'm going to do so that I can just easily be closing like this and opening it like that. Also, to have your card holder slot, what you're going to do is you're going to place the first two spaces. So this space, place the first two just like this, hold it like this, and then you're going to create a line. So you're going to sew it down from the top to the ends just like this on only these two. Don't sew it down like this. Sew it, make sure you open it like this and sew it down. Now you can measure it however you want. You can sew it directly in the middle, or you can sew it a little bit right here that can take your card standing in a portrait form. And then this side will be wide enough to take other things, not necessarily just your cards. And guys, that's all I have for this video. I decided to use a velcro for my closure because the press button wasn't like really making it close really well, so I had to use these velcro pieces for the closure of this purse. And guys, can you see the card holder slot? Can you see how it looks like? It's amazing. You can put your cards, you can put your ATM cards, your business cards that you collect from friends, colleagues. You can put it there as well. Guys, this wallet is amazing and it can take your phone. It's amazing. Basically the size, the everything, I love it. I love it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations so I can showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Let's connect with each other. Subscribe to this channel, joining as a member. Membership helps the channel a lot. I have some members only videos on my channel and I would love you guys to go check them out. Like this video, comment in the comment section if you have any questions. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.